I don't know about you guys, but every time I see chicken satay skewers on a menu, I'm ordering them. There's just something special about food on a stick. But today I'm going to show you how to make your own. Let's go, guys. So I'm going to start with 2 large chicken breast fillets. I want the chicken cut into roughly 1-inch cubes, nice big chunky cubes. And the reason why I want big cubes is because I don't want the chicken, when it's been grilled or when it's been fried, to shrivel up into dry bits of chicken. I want them to still be nice and juicy and moist. And if you put little bits of chicken and cook them like that, they're going to be dry, and that is not a good thing. So for the marinade, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a good pinch of salt, and black pepper. Give this a good mix. Add it to your chicken cubes. Give it a good stir. Oops, nearly forgot, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Cover with some cling film and set aside for 2 hours or overnight if you can. Check this out, guys. This is gonna be amazing, I can tell. Just gonna squeeze a little bit of lime. So there you have it, guys. Chicken satay skewers. So easy, amazingly delicious. This is like better than restaurant. This is better than I've had in restaurants, because obviously when you make it yourself you can do it exactly right. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you'll enjoy making this recipe. It's one of my favorites for sure, and it really is so simple to do, and yet you're going to impress all your friends and family. And let me know if you cook it, how it goes for you. That would be absolutely fantastic, because obviously YouTube likes this kind of thing, and I'm trying to just spread my channel as far and wide as possible, just spreading a little bit of chow with lao love everywhere I go. So hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.